Hey guys, got a 2013 Nissan Rogue here, and the trunk latch will not latch. The issue is going to be this latch right here. I'm going to show you guys how to replace it. So if I try to close the trunk, as you can see, it is not latching whatsoever. So we're going to have to replace that latch right here. I went ahead and got one for about 20 bucks online on Amazon. It's right here. Here's the part right here. So it's the entire assembly. What happens is this plastic piece right here breaks off. That prevents the trunk from latching. So I'm going to show you guys how to replace that. Very simple and easy to do. We just got to drop this plastic cover right here. So go ahead and start off by taking off this, that, and that, which just pop out from these little inserts here. And it looks like we're going to have to pop off this light also. So let's go ahead and do that. And then we got two clips right here. And looks like none on the side, so it looks like it might just be a pull down. So let's go ahead and pull out those panels and then drop those clips. So if you're in a bind and like say you're at the grocery store or something and you need to close your trunk, this big panel right here, if you pop this off, this right here, you just got to revert back to the left. Which this one, I'm trying to turn it, it is not moving whatsoever. It's completely frozen up, so this one's completely done for. Obviously, you could probably tell I've done that a few times, so now it's finally completely broken. Here is the new assembly, so I can show you what it does. So basically, you just revert this back just like that, and that's what closes it. As you can see, it's new, so it's not going to stay, but that's what closes it and latches it. So basically, all you got to do is just revert that back, and that'll make it close if you're in a bind. So let's go ahead and pop off this plastic cover, and I'll show you how to replace that. So as you can see, we got this went ahead and dropped. The whole thing is just held in by clips. Right here, where the handle is, you're going to have to pop that out. There is going to be a clip in the middle, right where I showed you where that latch is. There's going to be a clip right here. Try to pop that out first, because it's going to be a little bit of a difficult one to pop out. You don't have to take this off completely. Once you get it at this area, you can access the 3 bolts that you need to access, which I believe is 8mm. So let me go ahead and get my wrench, and we're going to wrench this out. There is going to be a connector right here that you're going to have to disconnect, but once it's out, it'll be easier to see. So let me go ahead and show you that. So it was 10mm bolts. Once they're all out, go ahead and pull this straight through. As you can see, that's the connector I'm talking about. We're going to pop that out and go ahead and put in the new one. Alright, so we went ahead and tightened up all 10mm bolts. It's nice and snug in there. Let's go ahead and push this cover back on and close the trunk and see if it closes. I would not put this cover back on right here, just in case it gets stuck or whatever reason. You can always go in from the inside and pop it out to open it up. So let's go ahead and try it. So now it's back on. The only thing I put on were these 2 clips right here and this handle, just to give it a little bit more stability. So let's go ahead and shut it and see if it shuts. And as you can see, it completely latches. Let's go ahead and try to open it. Opens, closes. Opens, closes. So now you can put everything back on, and that's it. That's how you go ahead and replace the trunk latch on a 13 Rogue that does not latch. Thanks for watching.